You can filter values based on searches for the specified values in the field. This is useful when you want to filter on data based on a partial phrase or string. There are several search types included. You can search for any strings that contain a specific value. In the first example, as a filter, we add the product subgroup. In the drop-down menu, we select Search and we use the Contains search type. Then we type vegetables in the value field. This will return all the strings that contains the word vegetables. You can also search for exact matches of a value. Create a KPI chart by adding sales to the item. Then add product group as a filter and we select the search option from the drop-down menu. Next, we select the option Matches Exactly and we type the words next. This returns all the values that contain that exact word. Then we label the KPI measure as sales per next. You can also search for any strings that start with your entered search value. For example, drag product type as a dimension and sales as a measure. Then add product type as a filter. This time we use the start with search type and we add the term can't. This returns all the values that start with the search term. You can also search for strings that end with your entered search value. In this example, we add margin and sales as measures and city as a dimension. Then we select the scatter plot from the visualization panel. As a filter, we use the dimension city. As a search type, we select the option ends with and we type ER in the value field. In this way, only the cities that ends with ER will be included in the visualization. Another search option is to search any words in a strings that start with your entered search values. In this final example, as a filter, we add product group. Then we use the search type beginning of the word and we type the word foods. So any words in a string that start with foods will be included. This returns values such as frozen foods, Starkey foods, and breakfast foods, but not the value seafoods, because the instance of food in seafood is not the beginning of a word. The search filter works best with string values, but you can search for numeric values as well. And that concludes this video. Thanks for watching.